Hope you all doing good. In today's video, we are going to understand about 5-year plans which plays very vital role in the Indian economy. So let's get started. From 1947 to 2017, the Indian economy was premised on the concept of planning. 1947 से 2017 तक कुछ प्लान्स बनाए 5-year plans जिसके अकॉर्डिंग इंडियन इकोनॉमी को फ्रेम किया गया. Joseph Stalin implemented first 5-year plan in Soviet Union in 1928. जोसेफ स्टालिन पहले ऐसे इंसान थे जिन्होंने पहला 5-year plan implement किया था सोवियत यूनियन के टाइम पे, which was in 1928. And after that, India launched its first 5-year plan in 1951, immediately after the independence. और इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने पहला 5-year plan implement किया, which was in 1951. Under the leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. These 5-year plans were laid at rest by Narendra Modi, Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. And after 2 years in 2017, 3-year action plans were launched for resolving the issues like financial independence, agricultural employment, poverty, etc. Niti Aayog has replaced the Planning Commission in the Modi cabinet and launched 3-year action plans from April 1st, 2017 onwards. 2017 1st April से third 5-year plans को implement करना start किया गया. So let's start with the first 5-year plan. First 5-year plan was launched in 1951. 1951 में पहला 5-year plan launch किया गया under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This plan is based on Harad-Domar model, and this model includes 3 types of growth, which 3 types of growth like warranted growth, actual growth, and natural growth. The plan was set to focus on agricultural development. Under these plans, there are 5 IITs were set up in the country. 5 IIT set up की गई और agriculture development को main focus बनाया गया इस plan में. In short, this plan was successful as the achieved growth rate was 3.6%, which was more than its target of 2.1%. And at the end, in 1956, this plan was ended. Second 5-year plan was launched in 1956, again under the guidance of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And this plan was based on PC Mahalanobis model. And this model is a shift in the pattern of industrial investment towards building up a domestic consumption goods sector. मतलब कि domestic consumption goods को इन्होंने main मोटिव बनाया, मेन फोकस में रखा कि जितने भी गुड्स होते हैं, गुड्स का जितना भी सेक्टर है, जितना भी एरिया है, उसे इन्हें कवर करना है. India faced crisis in 1957 during this plan. पेमेंट क्राइसिस, स्पेशली पेमेंट क्राइसिस का मतलब है कि लोगों को पेमेंट में बहुत इश्यूज होने लगे थे, देना लेना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था, एंड दैट वाज हेल्ड इन 1957. दिस प्लान वाज मेनली क्रिटिसाइज्ड बाय experts but was successful by achieving 4.27 growth rate, which was more than its target growth rate of 4.5%. Next is third 5-year plan. That this plan was launched in 1961, and this plan is also known as Gadgil Yojana. This mainly focused on economy, independence and agriculture. Mainly इस plan में economic और agriculture को, खेती बाड़ी को और economy को focus किया गया, and also on the improvement of the production of wheat. मतलब कि गेहूं को उगाने के तरीकों पे भी improvement के लिए focus किया गया. During this plan, India faced 2 wars. इस plan के बीचों बीच इंडिया ने 2 wars को face किया. First one was Sino-India War in 1962 and the other one was Indo-Pak War 1965. Also, India witnessed inflation during this war. Inflation face किया, उसके साथ साथ low growth rate रहा, which indicates that this plan was a flop and was ended in 1966. Next was a plan holiday. This is a 3-year plan, which is first 3-year plan, which was launched in 1966 and ended in 1969. After these 3 5-year plans, a new 3-year plan was launched in 1966. And the main reason of launching this 3 5-year plan was holiday plan was involvement of India in wars. पिछले थर्ड ईयर 5-year plan में हमने पढ़ा कि इंडिया 2 wars में After these 3 5-year plans, a new 3-year plan holiday was launched in 1966. The main reason of launching this 3-year plan holiday was involvement of India in 2 wars. As we have studied earlier, in third 5-year plan, India was involved in 2 wars, which were first one was Sino-India War in 1962, and the other one was Indo-Pak War 1965. So the main reason of launching this plan, a 3-year plan, was the 2 wars. And during this plan, government declared devaluation of rupee. Devaluation of rupee means lowering the value of country's currency. मतलब जो अपनी country की currency है उसी की value को कम कर देना. That means the devaluation of rupee. And during this plan, equal priority was given to the agriculture sector and the industry sector also. And this plan was ended in 1969. Next plan is fourth 5-year plan, which was launched in 1969 under the leadership of Mrs. Indira Gandhi. The plan was focused on stability and progressiveness for the country and mainly on the self-reliance. There were 14 major banks which were nationalized during this plan. Green Revolution was started in this fourth 5-year plan. Indo-Pak War in 1971 took place, and the other war, Bangladesh Liberation War, also took place in this year. In the same 1971 year, there were 2 wars which took place: Indo-Pak War and the Bangladesh Liberation War. The major target of this plan was family planning programs also, and this plan was a kind of successful, or maybe a little on not on the basis of its target, as the achieved growth rate was 3.3 and the target was 5.7. So the plan was not that much successful, but during this plan, Green Revolution took place and the 14 major banks were nationalized. Fifth 5-year plan took place in 1974, launched in 1974, and the main focus of this plan was Garibi Hatao. The main focus on Garibi Hatao is because of employment. There were no employment in India during these years. India witnessed inflation plus devaluation of rupee, two or three wars in between these 5-year plans. That's why the main focus of fifth 5-year plan was on Garibi Hatao. There were other plans also took place. First one was the Electricity Supply Act, which took place in 1975. Other one was 20-point program in 1975. The next one was Minimum Needs Program, which took place in 1974. Minimum Needs Program means improving the living standard basically. सबको उनकी नीड के अकॉर्डिंग चीजें एटलीस्ट मिलनी चाहिए, एसेंशियल्स मिलने चाहिए. Just like we are facing lockdown during these days and the essentials are only available. That's the main thing in fifth 5-year plan of Minimum Needs Program. Other one was Indian National Highway System introduced during this plan for making roads to be full furnished and to be connected with the rural areas also. But this plan was terminated by Morarji Desai government in 1978, and this plan was actually successful as it achieved 4.8 growth rate and the target was 4.4. And this plan was ended in 1978. Next one was the rolling plan. The rolling plan, which took place in 1978 and continued till 1990. In 1980, the Congress rejected the rolling plan and introduced 6 5-year plan. After 5-year plan, government hasn't introduced the 6 5-year plan. They introduced rolling plan, and in this rolling plan there were three type of plans. First one was for the budget of the present year, मतलब जो present year में चल रहा है उसमें budget बनाना. Just like we get to know about the budget in February mainly, that's the rolling plan. And the other one was plan for fixed number of years, just like 3 4 and 5, मतलब छोटे time के लिए plans को बनाना और उनको implement करना. And the other one was the long term plans, ताकि long term के plans में भी successful हो सके. So I hope you understand these plans, and government introduced all these plans for the betterment of the country and the economic sector of the country. In this next video, in the other video, we'll cover the other 5-year plans. So stay tuned for the part 2. Stay safe and stay at home.